In this video, I'll show you how to mix a realistic brown tattoo ink perfect for dark skin tones, trees, wood, and any element in realism tattoos.
Let's do it.
First, start with 6 drops of red. I like to use a medium tone red, not too bright and not too dark. This gives us warmth and depth as a foundation. Then add 14 drops of yellow. Yellow lifts the red and pushes the tone toward an earthy orange. You'll already see a warm, almost copper-like tone here. That's your base. Now here's the important part, add just 1 or 2 drops of black. Black is super powerful in ink mixing. Even a little bit can completely shift the tone. So go slow, we're building the brown gradually. If you add too much, it'll turn muddy or gray. Add a few drops of solution, it helps the ink mix more smoothly and blend better. Give this a quick spin with your ink mixer for about 30 to 40 seconds. You'll notice the warm orange starts to mute down and evolve into a soft brown. Now check the tone. If it still feels too light or too warm, add half a drop more black. Mix again and now you've got a rich, realistic brown tone. This color is great for dark skin portraits, especially for midtones and shadows. You can also use it for tree bark, leather jackets, or even eyebrows in realism. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to dive deeper into color mixing for tattooing, check out the full playlist linked right here. I've packed it with practical tips and formulas for all skin tones and styles.
Please comment down below any requested or suggestion you want to learn from me. To mix color combination for tattoo ink. Don't forget like, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone.